Come back to like nothing.
Because look, it goes up here, and that is meant to be over here. But someone put it across and put the lock on, like bolt the lock shut.
Actually, yeah, we were alright when you turn on the side, but I'd just pick it up. Would it lock you in?
Look, you could do it there, but we might as well just take it off. Oh, you've broken the door. You've broken the door. It's plastic broke.
Never done that.
Yeah, everyone sort of stands there and pisses back.
That's why it's all eroded.
Yeah, get Ashley. Ashley!
Ashley!
Get here.
We're not going to jump, you come here now.
Get here! He's so paranoid. Hey, don't kick it off. I want him to get it off.
You've bullied him
I
for
can get it
5
off.
years.
Oh! Get here! Right. Do you do this? Get here!
A little kid in his mouth.
Did you do this? Oh, no. Get here! For fuck's sake, get out my house now! Yeah, let's go jump it. Actually, if you don't come out, we'll come in and get you. Mum came back from Tenerife yesterday and she's got cold today.
I think the lock's broke, isn't it?
I've already had it for a week to myself. No. Get it? Did you do this? Put the lock on. Well, how come no one else has done it? How come it's on and we've snapped the lock off so we can shut the shed door? Before you went in. Who did it, Ed? What fucking me? Because I might have snooped it. Ben, did you do it?
No.
I reckon you did it.
I don't believe him.
Believe me.
Yeah.
Why? I'm not a top.
You're so nice to them.
I know.
I mean to them, to him.
Hey, Luke, let me play with you. Sorry, I don't really want to play. It's kind of ugly, actually.
Actually, we hurry up now.